you how you can create a class calendar from a template in Google Docs. So you might not realize that we actually have templates that we can upload for Pen Manor. So I'm going to show you where this is located. So I'm going to go up to New in my Drive, click New, and I'm going to go down to Documents, and then I'm going to go over to the little arrow. Now there are templates available not just in Documents, but in Sheets, Slides, Forms, and also Sites. So I'm going to go to Docs, and I'm going to go from a template. Once I click from a template, you'll see that I have two different galleries. I have a general gallery and I have a Pen Manor gallery. So in the Pen Manor gallery, I uploaded two calendars for this school year. One is an 11-month calendar and the other is a 12-month calendar. So we're going to work on the 11-month calendar. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and it's going to create a new template for my drive. So this will be my copy. So now that I have this template open, I can rename it. I can do whatever I want with it, and it's mine. So for instance, let's just go to the first day of school. So the first day of school is the 29th of August. So I'm going to click inside that box, and I want to highlight that box in yellow. So I'm going to go up to the paint can, and I'm going to find yellow and click yellow. And now you're going to notice that the 29th of August is yellow. And so if I want to also highlight Labor Day, so the Labor Day is on the 5th, and maybe I want to highlight that in blue, I can go back up here and I can highlight it in blue. So now you can replace the text in the template with your own text. So now I have my first day of school noted in there, and I can go ahead and do this throughout the rest of my calendar. And this is easy to either send home with parents, put on your blog, attach to an email, however, whatever you want to do with it. But I just wanted you to be aware that this is here, and you can create various calendars for whatever purpose you need, whether it's for your classroom in general, whether it's a testing schedule, whether it's a building schedule. This calendar is here and you can do whatever you want with it.